Contentful is a content management system that allows you to create, manage, and deliver content across platforms. Here's how beginners can start using Contentful. Sign up and set up a space. Visit contentful.com and create an account. After logging in, create a new space. A space is like a workspace where all your content and settings are stored. Understand content models. A content model defines the structure of your content. For example, if you're creating a blog, you will need a model with fields like title, body, and other. In your space, go to Content Model and create a new model. Add fields such as text, number, date, or images based on your content needs. Create entries. Once your model is ready, go to Content and create entries based on the model. Fill in the fields with actual content. Integrate with your website. Use Contentful's API to fetch your content. Developers can use SDKs for popular programming languages like JavaScript to integrate the content. Preview and publish. Preview entries to see how they look. Once satisfied, click Publish to make the content live.